So we just finished the off-road portion of the all-new Colorado, and it may not look as challenging from the various camera angles, but as you can see from all the twisting and bending, this truck is more than capable. When it comes to off-road media drives, and I've attended many, you can be sure of a few things. Number one, the vehicles will be capable and able to complete the course without issue. Number two, there's a good chance the competitors will also be able to master these obstacles. And number three, the YouTube audience will comment that they could run this course in their mom's Honda Civic with one hand. The truth is that while 40% of truck owners state their intentions to take their vehicles off-roading, less than 10% actually put their new four-wheel investments in harm's way. But it's nice to be able to brag to your friends about what your truck can do. If you include the ZR2, which is being released a few months after the rest of the lineup, I can state with a degree of certainty that every trim level from the work truck with four-wheel drive to the ZR2 can handle this fire road and probably much more. I would have preferred to see how well this Colorado could pull a stranded Silverado, much like how this Tacoma TRD Pro owner tried to pull a Tundra and ended up breaking both front axles. I love Toyota and own a couple of them, but according to the latest J.D. Power study, Chevy has now surpassed Toyota for quality and reliability. Has Chevy finally caught up to Toyota? We'll see, but for now, Tacoma is still the segment leader and the benchmark for all mid-sized trucks. But maybe someday the Colorado will become the new prince of trucks. Stay tuned. The mid-size truck segment has been dominated by Toyota with the Tacoma for years. About 8 years ago, Chevy brought back the Colorado and it's made a big dent into the segment. And now we have an all-new Colorado, making this Tacoma look a little old. And it comes at a time when J.D. Power just ranked Chevy to be more reliable than Toyota. Time will tell.